Okay, yes, I just added this light up here. Here are my marbles. They're colored now because if they're one color, they look better. Fast lighting objects don't work really well on low frame rate. And frame rate stuck is quite bad. I don't really know how to fix it. Anyway, there goes Wookie and Meowdy. You see how the rovers look a lot better now with the lighting now fixed. It looks like inflatable models or something, I don't know. There's still this weird wavy effect you can see on the walls, and I'm not really sure what to do about that. If I need to. And also, like when the camera is moving, the weird text alignment issue. And here's also weird texture glitching here. And the reflection look quite nice. So you'll see like around here. Yeah, that's a really weird spectral reflection there. I think it's because there's multiple spectral reflections overlapping. Yeah, you could see another one there. And they already look much better because they're like normal maps. Yeah, it's all greens in the lead now. And it's always the same, by the way, unless I change the initial conditions. I don't know, maybe we should add some randomness or something. And the main purpose of having these rovers here, because they always just all full of the edge now, and now at least some of them hit the rover and they fall into the correct direction. Yeah, so you see these lights, they slowly actually move up and down. And here there's barricades again, because they would all fly off the corner here. Sometimes they get stuck here. It doesn't seem like they're doing it so far. Miller fell off the track. Sad. Thank you, Peter. Is he gonna get stay stuck? Yeah, sometimes something else will hit him and it will launch him. Right now, Chinaman is in the lead. Like I just tested like the actual marbles on CMap and it's like so much faster frame rate. I'm not really sure what to do about that. This is like barely watchable. So I'm not sure if it would actually be suitable to use for an actual raffle. But anyway, it was a nice experiment. Anyway, yeah, so the flight Chinaman is in the lead. You can crash into these things here, so it's not over yet. Yes, he hit the pole. The pole, by the way, is here because sometimes if the viaduct's directly above here, sometimes they fall down directly into the finish. And I thought that was unfair. So, yeah, I think like Hans here, he fell just off the next level. Yes, and he wins. And on the left, you can see the ranking. On the right, you can see who got eliminated. Oh, Hans, he just fell off the track. That's sad. Hippo finishes second. Let's see. Oh, Rayman, will he hit the track? So there's a small chance, I made it so that you can actually still hit the track. Still, but you have to like roll perfectly off the roofs, and that's quite hard. So this is like the chaos area, because they're all getting stuck in the barricades. But sometimes they hit and then like dislodge each other. So ultimately, less people get eliminated here than without them. But yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to be easy. And look at this lighting; it's so much better. Yeah, so these poles are still they're quite ugly actually. But oh well. Yeah, if I can't fix like the frame rate issues, Nothing else really matters. Or I just need to buy a better laptop, I guess. But like before I upgrade my RAM, this ran just like 5 FPS, and now it's running at I think probably like 20, 30, something like that. It should really be able to run at 60 because when I tried the other Marvel program, it's like even like 600 marbles, it still ran at 60 FPS, even on this laptop. So it should definitely be possible. Yeah, also the Iron Force is finished. Really, that's that's fixable. It is. I want some kind of shadow because now it looks really weird. This yeah, the lighting is a bit. Yeah, actually, yeah. I just applied like the jazz profile picture as a texture on this until I found a better texture. Yeah, so they're all starting to come through here, and they actually still die immediately after finishing. I don't know. Is that a problem? Do you fear death? Yeah, that looks like it's all of them. Anyway, yeah, so I want to fix these balls because it doesn't really make sense for the rest material and also this shiny. Yeah, so I want to do them similar to this, as in like no lighting, but like AO artifacts only. Not sure yet how it would look. It also needs to be just be a lot taller, just so you can the bottom is a lot harder to see. Yeah, anyway, yeah, thank you for watching.